Okay, your final task today, we're going to make 3 different sentences. When you go to make your sentence, you just double click in the box and then you can type. Okay, make sure you hit spacebar between each word. Alright, so listen carefully. I'm going to give you all 3 sentences in this video. You can hit pause when you're ready to type and then just click play again when you're ready for the next sentence. Okay, here we go. The silk was soft. The silk was soft. Okay, go ahead and hit pause if you need to. And we're going to move on to our second sentence. Our second sentence is the boy was sick. The boy was sick. Go ahead and write that sentence on the second line here. Make sure you double click. And you can hit pause to make that sentence. And we're going to go to the third sentence. Your third sentence is they got done with the task. They got done with the task. Okay, when you're finished with all 3 of those and the rest of your slides, you can go ahead and go to Google Classroom and turn it in. Good job, guys.